My name is Chris Walker. I'm the Community Liaison for Lynch here in Mukwonago. We do a lot of things within the community, including we've done the naming rights for Lynch Stadium. In addition to that, we have a apprentice program that we work with through Mukwonago High School for business, marketing, and as well as the auto program.
Youth Apprenticeship is a huge work to school or school to work initiative where we are trying to get kids learning in the classroom and then getting some hands-on experience in whatever curriculum they are most interested in.
My name is Makayla Syverson. I am 17 years old. I am a senior at Mukwonago High School and a marketing intern at Lynch Mukwonago.
My name is Konobrodski. I am currently a senior at Mukwonago High School and I work as a receptionist at Lynch.
No problem. It's been a win-win for both, I think, the high school program and Lynch as well, as we get value employees and they gain valuable experience.
The benefits for our kids is not only are they earning credit, but they are getting release time from school to go and actually work during the school day. They are paired with a mentor at their employer. The kids are getting paid to work these jobs, gaining extremely valuable work experience as a high school student, and can build their resume before even graduating high school.
We have a marketing intern, and what she can do for us is develop different kinds of content for social media, especially videos like this one.
Some of the things I do is research trends, create graphics, I film and edit videos, and then I post them on social media.
I answer phone calls, process service payments, and do general office duties.
I didn't have any marketing experience before Lynch, so everything I do is something I've recently learned. Besides the hard skills I've learned, I've gained a lot of soft skills, like learning how to think creatively. I've learned how to network, and my communication skills have improved.
I have grown in confidence and I have gained knowledge of what it is to work in a professional environment.
The first thing you'd do is you'd want to talk to your guidance counselor or talk to the coordinator for whatever department you were looking at, whether it's business, marketing, family consumer science, food, tech ed. You want to figure out who the coordinator is and go talk to them immediately if this is something you are interested in. And then you want to look at the courses. So you want to be like, okay, I am very, very interested in marketing, so I want to look for a marketing job. What courses can I take throughout that time that will help me with that type of job?
The apprentice programs have been very successful for us. We would be more than willing to continue those programs and hire for business, marketing, and as well as the auto program. We will continue to be a very integral part of the community here in Mukwonago.
I recommend this program because it's a chance to grow in many areas.
I would recommend this program because it offers real-world experience for high school students, which can't be found very often. I learned things at Lynch that I never knew I'd be able to learn. I really hope that other students will take advantage of an opportunity like this.